Hey, good morning. Day two. So I've done a lot yesterday. It's partly cut the grass. I uh, I did the framing for the Murphy bed, and then I tried to fix Andreo's Wi-Fi, but it didn't work. So I'll have Liberty to come fix it. And this morning I went ahead and plant additional bush. And what I do is now I just water it. It's nice, right? I can do it from my deck. So just gonna water the shit out of it all week. So it will grow up like these. So I'm gonna have one patch there, one here, next to the palm tree, and I'm gonna put another one in the middle later on. So today I'm gonna cut the grass right away this morning because there's no one around, and then after that I will probably head out to Home Depot, get some wood and glue and other things that I need for the day, and that will be it. All right, so I'm almost there, more than halfway there. I cut the grass. So it's looking good now. The machine works very well. So that's the bush I planted. I planted one here and one here. And the sun is rising slowly. It's all clean now. I have to cut in the back. I have a lot of 10-10 tree. I have to cut these, you know, these guys here. And I'm gonna start cutting some branches here from those pine needle to make it more roundy and stuff. So yeah, all right, let's keep going. And the stairs, so I'm gonna switch my my winch later. So guys, here's the winch. It's baby winch 3500, and this is a monster winch. It's 1300, so it's 4 times more power. The rope is bigger, and most importantly it's longer, so I won't have to have like this extension. So what I need to do is to remove this metallic thing here so I can pass it through my pulley system and just install it, and then I will test it. Taking the rope out, I put it in the manual mode. The rope is way longer than the other one. That's good. Right, and try like this. This thing is super heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put another board to sit on it. So I'm done installing the winch, but it's not working. So that's what happened when you ship stuff, you know, and you cannot test this. Let me show you what it does. So I install everything, you know, positive, negative, 12 volt. Man, it's not working. I'm so pissed. I have to find another one. I hope AutoZone has one. So I'm gonna go there and check it out, or Gallows Bay maybe. Anyway, gotta get a new one, I guess. So the winch, I believe is working, but it needs to have more amp because I cannot start it. It kind of does like a car when it doesn't have enough power, the battery is dead. It just click 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 click. So for what we have to do, I need to buy an AC to DC converter that will constantly keep 100 amp on the power, so this way it will power it. So until next time, I'll leave it there. I'll use the other one to winch my my stairs up, but next time I come or Andrea comes, we'll hook it up and then with that thing, and then it should work. So I started doing the corner. I don't know if you see, but I basically put a 2x6, and then I need to put a 2x4 on the other side, and that should be it. I'm gonna spray foam in between and put like 1x6 horizontally. Hey, so I did the siding. It's Sunday fun day, right? So I want to show you. Whoop 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 beep beep whoop 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 whoop. All right, so it's 7:10 p.m. So what I'm doing right now, I'm inside, away from the mosquitoes. And I started yesterday, you don't really see it, but passing like the cable all the way there. So I have a plug here, over there, and then I'm doing another one here. So I'm gonna pass the cable all the way down. This one's gonna be a little bit higher because I want to have like a shelves or something that people can use to charge their iPhone and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna go all the way there, all the way to the box that will be eventually there. So it's Sunday night, we can still hear the music, and then that's it. I'm gonna finish the bench. So this is the Murphy bed. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put. I don't have the tile, I don't have it here, but I'm gonna order it and ship it there, ship it here. Next time I'm gonna do it. And that's it. I'm gonna build a bench tonight with the rest of the wood I have, but I don't think I have enough, so we'll have to do it tomorrow. There we go. All right, come on, one more. I'm filming, so some guys, I guess, oh, here we go. Nice. Spread net, Sunday. Here we go. Nice. All right, doing some connection. So I'm working with this metal thing. We were told because it's a shipping container that is needed. But then you ask someone else and they say no, you can use normal yellow one, the yellow cable. But anyway, that's the one that I have, and now I'm working with it. So I'm using this one, the metal boxes. I put it all in the middle, on top, and one in the corner. So this way I have like a feed and a return, because I need two cables because it's a series. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'll show you when I'm done. All right, it's 10 p.m. Sunday night, second day. I'm still passing the cable. So I did all the outlet. I have 3 of them. It's connected. And then I'm starting to pass. I'm gonna have two lights, one here, this one I have to move, another light there, and the fan's gonna be here. So I'm passing the cable, so this way when the electrician comes, he's gonna just have to check and validate what I've done.